Yes.
Yes. Kara Sabariu.
Nick Severiu. No.
No.
We like David. He was an attorney for such a long time.
I just want to share my experience with other people who are going through a similar process. Yes, so I came to the US and married Nick, and so we applied together for my green card application. Yes, I received my conditional green card. I feel like we were prepared enough when we did the mock interview with David, so it wasn't like a complete surprise when we got to all the interview questions. I feel like our lawyer was very attentive, and the staff as well. If we had questions, they were always promptly answered, and he prepared us with the mock interviews. If we needed more practice, we were told where it was that we needed to work on to better prepare us for the interview.
Absolutely not. No.
Yeah, no. I felt a lot safer, like, looking back. It was like we had a reliable source of people to go back to, because there was millions of questions that we had that we wouldn't know how to answer just by ourselves. I just felt like we already had that connection with David and the staff, so it was more like we weren't looking at any other options, really.
Yeah. He's like, hey, well, David, here you go, here's more paperwork.
We already filed for the naturalization process, and we have the interview scheduled, so we're just waiting on the day of to get that interview process done.
You'll spend more money if you do it yourself than if you get an attorney, because the amount of times you'll end up repeating the process will probably be a lot more than once.
I feel like you don't really have a direction when you're online. There's so many sources, and then like even what you're looking for, there's going to be so many answers for that particular question, and you don't know if it's necessarily the correct one. So it's better to have someone who's a professional and like knows what he's doing to be able to answer what you need correctly. Well, for me, it feels like one of the biggest accomplishments, because I've been in the US my entire life practically, so I feel like I am an American. So to me, it's like kind of coming full circle, and I don't know, it's just a relief and a fulfillment. So yeah, I'm very excited to be able to, after getting my naturalization, be able to sponsor my mom, who's also undergoing a similar process, and now that once I become a citizen, I'll be able to help her on that end. And also, I'm super excited about the passport benefits, and I'll be able to travel and be able to vote.
It's like a giant weight off your shoulders that you get to throw off finally. It's because now, if we did want to travel somewhere, we can. If my wife wants to help out her mom, like, we definitely can now, because I couldn't sponsor her because I'm not a direct relative. And she can vote now, so she has a say in what course of action the government takes. But definitely travel. Can't wait to go to Japan.
Yeah.
At David Nguyen's law office, we are here to help you. We bring families together through immigration. And on the other hand, we help you find solutions. All your legal needs in the hands of people who care, who are there for you. We'll take care of your loved ones at the law office of David.